I'm going to talk about the upgraded Courtney topper. So Courtney has a 7 by 8 inch base, which just basically means this material right here that's gonna go right on top of your head. That is a base size, and that's 7 by 8 inches. She has a mono top, which is this area right in through here. That is see-through, and that mono top area is all hand tied. So as you can see, I went ahead and added a little bit of foundation powder right along that part line. I did not pluck the part line. All I did was move the part and add a little bit of foundation powder. Tomorrow, she's going to a stylist and gonna have a few little trims and cuts done. I think maybe even some curtain bangs. But I wanted to show her on before I made any alterations to her whatsoever. This is a little bit longer than my bio hair. I do actually also plan tomorrow to get my bio hair highlighted because it's getting really dark. So I'm gonna have my stylist lighten it a little bit, and that will help with the blend. But I did want to show you what that looks like when your bio hair is probably at least 4 inches shorter than your topper. I can get away with it with this topper because it has a larger base. The 7 by 8 inch base makes that a little bit more doable. If it's a smaller base, I would not recommend it. All right, and like I said, this is her without any alterations. All I've done is add a little bit of foundation powder to that part line. I have not trimmed it, I have not cut it. I've just moved the part line and added foundation powder. So this is what she looks like before, and then we'll see what she looks like after my appointment tomorrow. I had her trimmed, and this is how she turned out. I think she is beautiful. So I didn't have much done. All I did was add a few curtain bangs, some layers, and then had her just lighten up the front a little bit so it didn't hang heavy in my face. I am so pleased with how she turned out. And here we'll look at that blend. Again, I just barely threw her on. I didn't add or really do anything to her besides throw her on this morning. I've been wearing her around for a little over a week so I could feel confident that I liked the cut and the look of it, and I do. I just love it. I think it's perfect. I think it looks and feels so much like